Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are getting up, getting your coffee, your energy drinks to start your day today. I want to welcome you all to my channel, Dollars Make Sense, and on this channel, you guys will get nothing more or nothing less on videos that help you make money online. And in today's video, we're going to talk about Facebook fan pages. Okay, I'm going to walk you through step by step. I'm going to create a fan page today to show you how to do it, show you where I got my images from, and everything else, okay? So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I would like for you to hit that like button, share this video, hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video, okay? And if you stay to the end of this video, I have a couple of free gifts I want to give away to you, but you have to stay to the end of your video to be able to receive those gifts. So let's get into the video, okay? So this is my Facebook page here. This is my home page, and here we are on my personal page here. And I used the Canva to create this. So I'm going to show you guys this right now. Okay, this is Canva, and whenever you guys want to create thumbnails for YouTube, Facebook covers, YouTube channel art, Facebook posts, you come over here to Canva, and it's free to sign up. Just go to www.canva.com. You can sign up for a free account and start creating your logos and whatnot for Facebook. You just click on create a design, and you can come down here. You can do animated social media, presentation, poster, t-shirt, YouTube thumbnails. I do this. I'm going to start putting more YouTube thumbnails. Facebook cover. This is where I normally get my Facebook images, my Facebook cover for my Facebook pages. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cover that. So Canva is a great tool to use for those of you that are using YouTube and Facebook and any other social media sites to post images, okay? So this is my Facebook personal page, and remember I told you guys in the previous video, when you guys want to post anything, make sure that you're posting on your fan page. You don't want to post anything about a business opportunity or anything of that sort on your personal page, okay? You want to create a fan page. So we're going to do that in this video today. So we're going to come over here, click on create. We're going to click on page. I'm going to come over here, click on business or brand, get started. I'm going to name my page Dollars Make Sense so it matches up with my YouTube channel name. Can I pull that back? Okay, can't. And then over here, I'm going to put entrepreneur. Hold on. Okay, so you want to click on, make sure it's entrepreneur, okay? And Dollars Make Sense is the name of my page. So I'm going to hit continue here. Okay, so I have to, if it doesn't match up with their, okay, so I can have it like that. Dollars Make Sense. Okay? So I'm creating my, and you can have the opportunity to upload a profile picture. Okay? I'm going to do that, skip that for now. You can always add one later. Upload a cover photo. I have one already selected. So I'm going to go to downloads. Which one is it? I think it's this one. I believe it's this one. Okay, hold on to me. I believe it's this one. Okay, I don't know why it's not. Choose from upload video. Upload, no. There it goes. Okay, so this is my picture for my fan page. Dollars Make Sense, okay? So now, what I can do is I can go over here and I can go ahead and choose this picture if I want to. Hold on. Let's not do that. Hold on 1 second, you guys. Okay, so we're on this page, and I'm going to go ahead and upload a photo from my computer here. Hold on. I'm going to upload a photo from my computer. Choose from photos, upload a photo. Upload a photo. Okay, so let's go to downloads. Let's go. Okay, let me go to. If you guys can't figure out a picture, you can always do this. Go to Google and just find a picture. So let's see here. I'll probably upload a picture of dollars and cents or something. And I think I found one. Hold on. Save image as downloads. And I'm going to put cents. Do that. Save it. And I'm going to go back over here to Canva. And I'm going to click on. Actually, I don't have to do that. Okay, here we go. Do this. Sorry. What? Okay, where's my page at? Okay, what just happened? Hold on 1 second, you guys. There it is. Okay. Sorry this is taking so long. I just wanted to show you guys the process of doing this. I'm making sure I upload a video. You know what? I'm going to come back for part 2 of this video. And for you guys staying thus far, I'm going to leave a couple of free gifts in the description below. So make sure you check those out. And remember to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Because I would like for you guys to continue to watch my videos and continue to make money online. So this is going to be Facebook, how to create a Facebook fan page part 1. And then I'm going to come back on here with part 2. So I'll see you guys in the next video.